we'll see introduction about it. So it is a widely used general purpose high level programming language. And it is dynamically dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including structured or procedure and object oriented and functional programming. You might be knowing all this procedural, functional, and object oriented programmings like C, C++, Java, and Python. It supports all these multiple programming paradigms. It is initially, it was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 with the initial version as Python 0.9.0. While doing research by this author, it was initially then named language as ABC and later it was renamed to Python and further developed by the Python Software Foundation. During initial time until now, we will see what are the major versions and we'll discuss about after 0.9.0 then what are the other versions came and what are the versions currently we are using. And it was designed with an emphasis on code readability and its syntax allows programmers to express their concepts in fewer lines of code. compared to other programming languages like Java, C++, and all. We have two major versions. The first one, Python 2.0, and second one, Python 3. Now we are using Python 3.13 and other versions. Previously, after point 0.9.0 onwards, Python 2.0 was majorly used by IT companies, and later now Python 3 came. Python 2.0 and Python 3 both are quite different. So Python 2.0 was released on 16th October 2000 with many major new features such as list comprehensions and cycle detecting, garbage collection, reference counting. These are the features. And Unicode support. These are all the major new features with Python 2.0. Now, with Python 3.0 released on 3rd December 2008 with many of its new features, major features, features like backported to Python 2.6.x and 2.7.x releases of Python 3 include 2 to 3 utility basically for automation purpose, which automates the translation of Python 2 code to Python 3. So this is the idea about Python 2.0 and Python 3.0. Then Python 2.7's end of life was initially set for 2015 and then postponed to 2020 out of concern that a large body of existing code large body of existing code could not easily be forward ported to Python 3. So this is how the transition happened. And for Python 2.0 and after versions, no further security patches or other improvements will be released for it. Currently, only 3.8 and later are supported. Currently, only 3.8 and later are supported. Okay. So this is how the history of Python went till now. That's all for this video.